Hello boys and girls, welcome to ALD. Now we get to do some writing today. We get to do some writing. And you know what, it looks like I already have some writing, but I'll explain that in just a moment. So yesterday we got to draw some spelling words, right? We did a fantastic job with it, I might add. I really like seeing all those pictures, and it's pretty cool. Sometimes we're drawing our own pictures. So for words like trip, you made your own, and I thought that was fantastic. Now, you know, I love when you draw the same thing as I do too, but it's really cool to see all the differences that we come up with. All right, before I get too far talking about all your fantastic work, let's talk about why we're here. We have some spelling words to put into sentences, don't we? We have some spelling words we're going to put into sentences. Let's see what spelling words they are. First, I did mention it. I gave it away, didn't I? First is T-R-I-P, trip. Trip. Okay. Next up is S-P-O-T, spot. Spot. Finally, we have G-R-E-E-N, green. Green. Right? Next we have T-R-E-E, which is tree. Tree. And finally we have T-R-Y, try. Trip, spot, green, tree, try. Now we're going to write 5 sentences today. Each sentence is going to have one of these spelling words. Now, like other times, I'm going to write out a sentence, and you can use this sentence if you want, but if you have a different idea for it, you can use that too, right? You can use that too. Now, I see in here, I have the word green. I have the word green. And the last time I wrote a sentence, and I used our spelling word grass, and I put the grass is green. Look at that. I used the green in that sentence. It just worked out that way. Now, what I also noticed is, look at this. I have a lot of space left on that page. And it would be a shame to practice my writing and throw away a paper or recycle it that has that much space left on it. So I'm not going to do that. Instead, I'm going to start my new sentence right here. Now, these aren't related sentences. They don't have to be for this practice, right? Normally when you're writing and you're sharing a page, it's going to be on the same subject. So if I'm writing about the grass is green, I'm going to continue talking about the grass throughout this page. But this is just practice writing, and we're getting better at it, and we're practicing staying on the bridge and keeping our lowercase letters in between the dash, the dotted line, and the bottom line. So we can use the same paper, okay? And this is just so you're not using a bunch of different paper. We're going to fill up every page that we have from now on, okay? All right. So let's take a look. Trip, tree, spot, try, green. Now what can I say? What can I write about? You know what? I'm going to write about a tree. I'm going to write about a tree. What could I say about a tree? Well, I have a tree out in front of my house, and the tree is really big. So I could say it's really tall. What if I said the tree is tall? Would that be a good sentence? The tree is tall? Yeah, I think so. Let's do that. So I get right over here. I'm going to start where I left off, right? It's because it's a new sentence, we've got to capitalize it, right? So we're going to start off with the. The, T, H, E. And notice again how my lowercase letters are staying right here. Once I reach that dotted line, that's where I'm keeping them, right? Now if they have a tail or a stem like that, then it goes up above, right? So the tree, T-R-E, it looks like an awful lot of space, but I'm not going to be able to squeeze tree in, so I'm going to have to drop down. So we go down here. Now, it's a new line, but not a new sentence, so don't capitalize. Tree, T-R-E-E. The tree is I. S is tall. T A L L. And a period. Oh, and notice this. We came to tall right here. These are lowercase l's, but you're going to say, Mr. T, they go all the way up to the top and to the bottom, but they're lowercase. Yeah, there are some things that don't follow the general rule, and that's okay. Tall, LL is one of them. T-A-L-L. Even this T, it goes from all the way from the bottom to the top or top to bottom, right? So some letters do, even though they're lowercase, but most will stay right here, right? Make sure you're using spacing as well so we can read and your words aren't too close together for us, all right? Okay, so I really can't wait to see your writing. And you're going to write 5 of them on our paper with a, if you want to use a paper that has a spot to draw on like this, then you can draw a picture of one of your sentences. Or you could divide your picture space up, like drawing a line like this, and then you could draw 2 pictures. Or you can just add a bunch of different pictures if you want. Hello, boys and girls. Hello. Mrs. Duck, what are you doing here? Well, I just love all this writing, and I love to see your drawings. So I can't wait to see what you come up with. I can't wait, boys and girls. Okay, Mrs. Duck, you gotta give him some space. You can't get way up on. Oh, I'm terribly sorry. Terribly sorry, boys and girls. I won't get up very close to you anymore. Don't worry, I won't do it. Mrs. Duck, Mrs. Duck. Okay, she's been talking about it, how excited she is about your drawings all the time. So, excuse her if she's getting a little excited. Okay, see? She can't wait. Yes, I just love it. It's so wonderful, boys and girls. Yes, it is. Boys and girls, thank you for joining Mrs. Duck and a very excited Mrs. Duck and me for ALD. I can't wait to see what you come up with. We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.